All right, how's it going, class? Today I'm going to do my final project presentation. My name is Thomas Coppley. So here's my statement of the problem. In Boone, North Carolina, there is a lack of left turn lanes on River Street. Because of this, App State suffers from unnecessary traffic and it can be fixed. On River Street, there are only two left turn lanes and they're located at the intersection with Hill Street and Center Street near Catherine Harbor. Beyond this point, there are no designated left turn lanes. This trend continues the entirety of River Street. The main issue I'm trying to solve in this project is the left turn lane intersection of River Street and Peacock Traffic Circle. Okay, so some of the results of the problem. When drivers try to turn left at the light to go to the traffic circle, they get stuck waiting for oncoming traffic. Typically during rush hour, only one or two cars can turn during each light cycle. This causes traffic to back up nearly to the SRC almost every day. Peacock Traffic Circle is a popular bus stop and connects to parking, so this also causes both car and bus traffic. There have been multiple car accidents that have occurred here. Another issue with this intersection is pedestrian safety. It is important that we evaluate these issues, especially if our campus wants to accommodate more students in the future. So here's a picture of the traffic circle and the intersection with River Street. Okay, so here's my deal method. So for defining the problem, there are not enough left turn lanes on River Street to accommodate for large amounts of traffic from App State. For exploring all possible solutions, I believe we should repaint the road for a better layout, add more pedestrian crosswalks, and improve stoplight algorithms at some intersections. For acting on the best solution would be to implement more left turn lanes on River Street. So looking back and evaluating the results, following the research, it is expected that more left turn lanes will lead to less traffic congestion. Okay, so here's my Gantt chart. As you can see, I did some planning towards the end of February and going into March. And this was during the time I was working on the introduction project. For the research, I did most of the research during the month of March. So you can tell, same with the design. And for the final ideas, I went from the end of March to about halfway through April. So for the description of resources used, according to the U.S. Department of Transportation Federal Highway Administration, left turn lanes reduce total crashes between 28 to 48%. Also, from personal experience, I find driving in Boone to be problematic, and I've experienced many issues with the traffic firsthand. The roads in Boone are not suitable to handle the traffic of App State students and Boone residents. This is why I believe we should implement more left turn lanes. So to conclude with the self-evaluation, over the course of working on this project, I've learned a lot of information on how city planning plays an important role in the transportation field. I've learned the common issues with our transportation system and some modern solutions to these problems. I hope that what I've learned during this project will help me in my professional career in the future. As well, I will be faced with problems like this down the road. I personally enjoyed doing research on this project, and I hope to learn more in the future. Thank you.